How to render an animation in Blender. First of all, open your Blender project and make sure your animation is complete and ready to be rendered, including camera placement, lighting, and keyframes. Next, go to the Output Properties tab on the right side. Under the Output section, choose the location where you want to save the rendered animation. Then, select the file format. Use FFmpeg video if you want a video file like MP4. After that, scroll down to encoding. Under the container option, select the MPEG-4 for a widely supported video format. Then under video codec, choose H.264, which gives you a good balance between quality and file size. Now, go back to the Render Properties tab. Under Sampling, you can choose how clean your final animation will look. Higher sample means better quality but longer render times. For quick test, you can keep it low, but for final output, increase it for better results. Then, ensure your frame rate and resolution are correctly set in the output properties. If you want a 1080p video, keep the resolution at 1920 by 1080 and the frame rate at 24 or 30 fps depending on your project. Finally, go to the render menu at the top and choose Render Animation. Blender will now render each frame and combine them into a video based on your settings. You can monitor the progress in the render window and cancel anytime if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to render an animation in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.